Hey there Candy Crush lover, ever stuck on a level just with one jelly left and wishing you had a Lollipop Hammer to smash it? Well, don't worry, I got you. In this video, I'll show you how to buy Lollipop Hammer in Candy Crush Saga. So without any delay, let's start the video. First thing first, open the game and get ready to get some sweet shopping. Now, open any level, doesn't matter if you are playing or planning. This is where the power up party starts. Once you open the level you want to clear, you will see a little Lollipop Hammer icon, usually in the bottom corner of the screen or the side of your screen. Once you find it, tap on it. A pop-up will show that number of hammer you have and the option to buy more. Tap buy. Price vary, but hey, power comes with a price. To purchase the Lollipop Hammer, you need gold, but if you don't have gold, you need to buy it from the shop. Buying gold requires real money. Once you have enough gold to purchase Lollipop Hammer, confirm it and boom, you got yourself a candy smashing weapon. And here you go, it's done. That's how you can buy Lollipop Hammer in Candy Crush Saga. If you liked our video, press the thumbs up and share button. If you have any question, comment down below and don't forget to subscribe the channel for more tutorials.